Hey everybody, this is Kevin Clunch here, owner at Ken Sewing Center in Muscle Shoals, Alabama. Folks, I've got a Grace Factory Authorized Sale on the Qnique 19x. The 19x is going to give us 19 inches of throat space. You're going to get stitch regulation built in. I have 4 buttons on my hand controls. I can adjust my hand controls to get them to my liking. Folks, I'm going to give you your choice of the Cutie frame, the Q-Zone hoop frame, or the Q-Zone queen frame, no additional charge. If you live in the lower 48 US, you're gonna get free shipping. Nobody's gonna have a lower price on the 19x than Ken Sewing Center. Plus, you're gonna get our premium support package with any machine that you purchase from us. I have 5 full-time technicians here to help you 6 days a week. Any kind of question you have, we have these set up on our sales floor. We can walk out in front of one and show you anything you want to know about it. I only have just a few left to go around. If you've been looking for one of these machines, give us a call. We have a lot more information on our website on the 19x with all the different options. Plus, if you purchase this month, I'm going to give you the light bar. I'm going to also include the hopping foot set, and you're going to get the Gracie Laser at no additional charge. Folks, that's an unheard of deal because it's the Grace Factory Authorized Sale. Ken Sewing Center is your authorized Grace dealer. We carry everything that goes with the 19x, all the frames, all the accessories. We can help get a package that's going to meet your needs. So check it out on our website or give us a call today to secure your package.